Ayo mga tubi, and welcome back to my channel. Happy Easter! Today is April 17, 2022. So today I have a script, and it's my first time to do a script for my vlog. And I have to read this. Sorry na kailangan kong basahin siya. Akong gumawa nito ha, pero just want to read it. Kasi minsan may nakakalimutan ako, so I don't want to forget anything. That's why. Okay. For today's vlog is the start of my long documentary. Long. Also, first time kong gumawa ng script in order to deliver this well, and syempre, para maihatid sa inyo ang proper purpose of this vlog. Because this documentary will last, I guess, for 6 months to 1 year. Also, uumpisahan ko na para hindi ako mahirapan mag-throwback about sa photos na na-save ko a couple of weeks or months ago, and then di rin ako mahihirapang mag-compile ng videos and pictures. To give you a brief description, this is all about me and Budoy taking the challenge for his dream to become a man in uniform.
For the chance to take
2 years ago, he started waiting for the chance to take the civil service exam. Nakapasok siya sa list. Schedule na lang sana. Kaso, when it was rescheduled, ni-refund yung cash and they have to reapply. However, naabutan siya ng cut-off. After waiting for so long, na-cut-off pa talaga. 'Di ba? Yun nung nag-wait siya ng, kasi 'di ba nakapasok na siya sa civil service, on list na siya, nag-wait na lang siya ng sked, and then for the resched, pag reapply, na-cut off siya. So like, we've been waiting for months, tapos maka-cut off fan pa siya. Parang ganun. So we have to wait for another schedule of application talaga. Happy to say, nagkaroon ng schedule for Fire Officer Exam or FOE. So he intended to apply, in which it was scheduled October 10, 2021. However, tumaas ulit ang cases ng COVID and CSC has to reschedule it. And finally, April 24, 2022, next Sunday, 1 week from now, he will be taking his exam, and of course, from that step until the end, I will take videos for the documentary. For the information of everyone, if Budoy will graduate and will be a full-fledged fireman at the end of this vlog, this is not to brag, but to inspire everyone who thinks it's late, but put in mind that everything has a purpose. As long as you put your trust into God, He knows what's best for us. Also, this will be a great remembrance for us to look back to from time to time. We'll be compiling the photos and videos with the dates to remind me, Budoy, and us that we have been through this journey for so long, and that it will end as he exits with congratulations and FO1 before his name. Keep on watching! So yun na, nabasa ko. Tapos ko nang basa yung script, and I hope na na-deliver ko siya well and naintindihan nyo, I guess. And I hope na ma-inspire namin kayo as a couple. I'm excited to finish this vlog and looking forward. See you in your orange uniform, Budoy. I hope na pag makita mo to, ma-happy ka. Alam kong mas magiging impact to sa'yo kasi magiging remembrance to sa'yo sa life mo soon as a officer. Yan, adya lang. Fighting. Ayan, so I hope you leave a like, share, and subscribe, guys. So the next part nito will be the compilations of the photos. Go!
smile.
Ganda ba?
Sabi ko.
Yeah. Examination unable to present either proof of vaccination or negative test. Visited at 6:30 a.m. Wearing face mask shall be strictly required. Plain white t-shirt.
Say hi. Ano? Ay, nana kay mapa di ay. Eight ka. Dito ka sa pinakatungo eh. Uy! Uy! Nag-ibot siya!
Sige na lang.
So, ayun, nakita niya na yung room niya. Tomorrow, ano oras call time niya? Ano oras call time niya? 7. Tapos, ang cute ng kanilang hair. Ah, dito lang si Erwin, no? Wala. So, labas na kami.
Oh, napagagi.
Are you ready?
Ay, captain.
Kaya bawal pumasok. Hindi ako makapasok. Although, inaantay ko na lang siya dito sa kabilang gate. Baka sakaling dumaan ko siya. Here. Hindi ako makapasok. Hi! Hindi pwede magpasok, no? Hindi pwede magpasok. Wala ko katry. Sige lang, okay lang. Okay lang. Okay lang ko. Dili. Ano siya, oh? Okay lang. Bye-bye! Ingat! Love you! Kabila po. Hi guys, today naghahanap tayo ng paraan para makapasok. Try natin dumaan sa kabilang gate kasi hindi ko sure if pwede makapasok later kasi hindi pa naman 7:30. Let's try. So ayun, antay lang tayo. Malay mo makapasok tayo ngayon, pero if makapasok tayo after 7:30 na, kasi you know, they won't accept late examinees naman. So, let's try ulit mamaya. Pero nag-try ako dito sa kabilang gate. Ah! So, ayun guys. I tried my best to enter the facility. Hindi talaga pwede. Duman ako sa isang, yung malapit sa photoshoot ni Chai na gate. Sabi niya mamaya daw pwede. Then, sabi ko, baka pwede naman try ko na lang sa entrance. iba yung entrance na pinasukan ni Budoy. So, doon ako sa kabilang entrance kung saan kami dumaan kahapon. So, sabi niya, di talaga pwede mamba kasi para lang sa may nag-exam. Okay. And then, dito ako napadpad sa Rizal Park ulit. Malapit lang naman, pero ilang beses na kasi ako nagpaikot-ikot. Kaya, ito pala yung view ko ngayon. Yan. Look at my feet. So, dito na lang natin naantayin si Budoy matapos. And, blackout din naman whole day sa bahay. Pupunta din naman sila mama dito mamaya. So, kita-kits na lang kami. Babalik pa ako doon kasi ang susi ng motor nasa akin. Bye! Hola! Hi! Hi! Wow! Hi! So hi guys, today is June 14, 2022 and officially the results are out and yeah, andyan po siya, number 13. Yeah, number 13. Puputuloy namin yung first part ng vlog dito kasi yan lang naman yung inaantay namin the results. So, abangan ang part 2 ng vlog or ng documentary ng